Picking a career for life after high school can be overwhelming. Did you know that you do have alternatives to traditional college and you can still be successful and earn a great living? If college doesn't seem appealing to you, maybe it's time to start looking at career tech options and earning a great living in manufacturing. Career tech lets you start earning a living sooner. Plus, with a lot of employers paying for your educational requirements or training on the job, you won't have mountains of college debt to repay. Don't take my word for it though. Let me show you some real-life examples of real local people who made this choice and can't wait to share their success stories with you.
I originally went into auto mechanics in high school and got my feet wet working on cars through Sentinel Vocational School. Shortly after that, I started as an operator at a bearing company. I worked there for 4 to 5 years and then came to Crown Battery. At Crown Battery, I started as a general maintenance technician. I went from making $10 an hour to $29 an hour in 1 year, learning the equipment and how to do changeovers. About a year and a half ago, I became a support maintenance technician and now work on bag houses, air conditioning, and HVAC systems, and there is still more learning. I continue to branch out and have never complained about my wages in this field. There is huge income potential here, and I didn't have the student loan debt from a 4-year degree.
My name is Louis Esquivel, and I've been here at Crown for 15 years. I started my career in manufacturing early while I was still in high school. College wasn't for me, so I started working right away. I'm a utility at Crown Battery. I enjoy it. It pays well, and there is plenty of opportunities to grow with the company.
I'm Joe Diller. I'm the principal engineer in our industrial products group at Crown Battery. We focus heavily on continuous improvement through investment in our people and processes.